Yo guys, what's up real quick? Here's the SoFi. I like the stock. I said it's moving higher, and it has. Except I still have one problem with this. There is no tracking stock in this portfolio. I don't have any way to see what the price is. I can see what the options are, but I have no idea what the base price is for SoFi. So I want to try to rectify that. I'm going to buy some SoFi. Alright, so let's go back. Oops. Alright, and SoFi is a great company, online bank. If you want a free $25, go see my code below and join SoFi. It's a pretty nice online bank there. So you can see SoFi has been kind of stabilized around this price, $15 floor. It's been bouncing off that, so I feel pretty confident on it. And so since it's around this area, I feel confident in buying some of this stock at this level. So what I want to do is I want to buy 101 shares. Now normally I just buy one share, but I really like this company. I want to be invested in it. I like the online bank aspect. Go see my other reviews on it and get your free 25 bucks. But no, that's the wrong thing. It's not what I want to do. I want to buy. Thank you very much. Okay, view yielder, it's good. Now let's go back. Okay, you can see now we have at least that one tracking stock, but we actually had more because I wanted more. Might sell a call on it, so it might get called away at some point. So I want to make sure I still have that one tracking stock. It's kind of like a little hack for me. So you can see I am in the money for about 25 cents or 26 cents on the August put, but you still look, I made 25% on it already. Haha. It's because the IV crush happened, I guess, or something. The stock is pretty stable around this level. I called the $15 floor pretty well, and I think we're going to be okay. Tell me what you guys think of SoFi stock in the comments below. So be sure to subscribe to my channel to see how this trade works out. And be sure to get your free $25 for signing up with SoFi. It's a great online bank that I'm using. Go check out my other review. Alright guys, thanks for watching.